Hi everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I thought it would be fun to show you my new SoftFlex order that recently came in and talk about the products that I ordered. I love how they package everything so carefully, well protected in the bubble wrap. And these were all the little beads that I ordered from one of the bubble wraps, and we still have this one to open. These are all the goodies in my order. We'll go ahead and sort through them. Some Czech Glass, some butterflies because it's almost springtime, but I have a special project that I want to create with these. So stay tuned for that. Then I ordered the larger size. I recently made a necklace with this and it's just so beautiful. I really love ceramic beads. And then all the beads that they have been putting in their kits as well. Just really been stocking up on them. And these were from the Deco the Halls kit. I believe you got 4 of them in the kit, which unfortunately is now sold out. So I thought I'd order some extras so I can finish one last Deco the Hall inspired necklace that I'm working on. I also ordered this green Czech Glass 7 millimeter. Absolutely just love the Czech Glass, and it comes in so many different colors. And I will go ahead and leave a link down below for all the products that I ordered if they are still available. Nice spring color. Of course, silver 2x2s, have to have those. SoftFlex makes the best. Then I ordered some green fans, also from Deco the Halls. I'm not sure if I'm going to add these to my design or the flowers. So beautiful. I love all the designs coming out that all the designers are creating with and everybody on the SoftFlex VIB Facebook group. They're just so inspiring. And I also ordered these, like a blue with a pink color or a copper color finish. And I thought that might look really good with the Czech glass, just a little pop of spring. And then maybe with the ceramic butterfly, we'll have to see what we can create. Of course, I had to get tiara cast. These can be used as earrings or connectors. They're just so beautiful. And then I ordered these flowers, and I ordered 8 of these, 2 packages, and they're the white with the copper or gold brush. This might look pretty with the green, mixing the colors. Can't wait to start designing. Then I ordered the bundle of the Arabesque beads. I think I'm saying that right. So you can get them for $5.99 individually, or you get the bundle for I believe it's $15. So I couldn't decide on the colors. I was kind of between the turquoise and this beautiful blue, but I decided let's get the whole kit. And I'm glad I did. This is beautiful. This would go perfect with the Deco the Halls. This would pair great with Peach Fuzz, the Pantone color of the year 2024. Valentine's Day for this one with the Love Bug kit. They also just released a new little mystery bag for Valentine's Day, or the SoftFlex and Jesse James beads Valentine's Day event. That would be great to have some extra beads. These are beautiful, icy blue, also springtime, but winter. I just love the finish on those. And then, of course, your turquoise and gold, one of the most popular color combos. This is my order that I recently placed for SoftFlex. I can't wait to start creating with all these beautiful beads. I love their Czech glass and just the unique beads that they carry with the ceramic beads. And then these flowers are just adorable, perfect for springtime jewelry. So stay tuned for upcoming tutorials and unboxings, or you can follow me on Instagram, and I will go ahead and leave the link down below in the description box so you can see all my designs. Have a wonderful